Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Now this is tutorial on the HRUM airdrop. Now to mine this airdrop is very simple. It's not just hard, like it is very simple. So what you need to do is to be coming to this place every 24 hours, like this one is the next 7 hours left, and then you just come here, then claim your token. Finish, you not pass like that. Here on the Sage, I think this one is okay. You can chat with an AI bot here. Now this is the airdrop. This is the criteria for the airdrop. Let's get that back. So here you can look at an airdrop piece. So I want to be fast about it. So an airdrop is the distribution of token to players' wallets. We are currently in the mining phase where all the players can earn more crumbles for the airdrop. Airdrop date will be announced soon in our Telegram channel. So make sure you guys to stay tuned. Come here every 24 hours to claim this. You can also invite your friends by copying the link and share to your friends. Then come here to complete most of the tasks. Come here, complete tasks. These are the tasks. Follow them on this. Next one, X, follow them on X and claim. The more you follow them, the more you get more of the token. If you follow them, you get 1,500 of the HRUM token. So like this is the quote of the day. Alright, the quote of the day, I posted it already on the channel. You can check it on the channel. Where is it? Okay, yes, it's Epto. So this is the quote of the day. I already posted it. So this is what you need to do, is just to copy this stuff and put it there. So let's do it. Let me show you how it's done. APIC. Okay, texels. So what you need to do is to check answer. Oh wow, finished. So the code says it is not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. So that is the code for the day. You need to take. You can also come here. Daily rewards. Come to your daily rewards. Start claiming. Quite time day 11. You claim on to the 28th. Keep claiming. Finish. You not pass like that. That's it. That's added. So that's just it. So let us continue to mine this project until when the airdrop date is being released. We will know what to do next. So for now, let's just focus on mining and be patient. Thank you guys for watching. If this is your first time watching our video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the follow button, and stay tuned for more.